What's up, Ricky? Rainy morning, huh? Uh-oh. Who's there? It's baby Kevy. Got Lucy Lou, little Lisa, and Bobby. Rick, what's the matter? You look upset. You don't want to come out in the rain? It's not raining no more. It's just drizzling. Come on. Hi, Kevy. Hi, Kevy boy. What's up, Bobble Bobble? Bobby, what are you doing? Don't eat pie and straw, buddy. Come on. No pie and straw. Bobby, leave it. Hey, no pie and straw. Lucy. Hi, girl. Woo, woo, woo. So Lisa took the pie and straw. What's the matter, Rick? The robot's not on. The robot's on in the pool. Rick likes to chase it and yell at it. But the pool water is very clear, as you can see the bottom. Kevy, don't eat leaves. Come on. Bobble wobble. Bobble wobble. What you doing, Bob? Hey, boy. You got your beautiful collar on? Where'd you get that collar? That's from Miriam. That was a gift from Miriam from Purple Spot Wolfwear. Lucy's is too. She makes the best collars. Very generous to us and donates them. Makes our boy look sharp. You look like you're formal in your formal wear. You didn't know the backyard event was black tie. Hi, buddy. What's up, Bobby? You eating pine straw? You can't eat that pine straw. Yep, everybody's getting a late start because of the rain. We had some bad storms here. The thunder woke everybody up, huh? Lucy Lou. Bobby. Little Kevy. Hi, Kev. Want to tell anybody anything? You're a good boy, huh? What's up, Ricky? Fix your ear. Come here. Lily. Lisa, come. Daddy. Lucy Lou. Bobby. Come. Don't eat grass. Oh, we needed that rain. That's Daddy's boy, Bobbo. Bobby came out of the Missouri 500. I believe it was the largest dogfighting raid in U.S. history. And now he's living with us. Little Lucy was found on the streets of Atlanta during one of the Tales in the Hood mission. She was pregnant and had a fractured pelvis. She's all healed up and ready to go. Little Ricky was thrown away. He had rickets. He walked on his elbows. He was found outside of a dogfighting ring that he was thrown out. I guess he was a yard accident, like a hound pit mix. Little Kevy was found down the road from the fighting ring. We took him that whole litter, and he has an autoimmune deficiency of some sort that affects his joints, but he's doing fine now. And little Lisa came to us with her sister Mona. They were 2 pounds, 2.3 and 2.6 pounds. And Mona, the bigger of the two, didn't make it. We syringe fed her and got her going with IVs. She was a baby. And now look what she's turned into. Lily! Sit down, Mama. Sit. Good, sit right in the puddle. That's a good girl. Yeah, I know, Daddy's got to pull the weeds out of the stairs. Thanks, Bobby. When it rains, the weeds grow. Hi, Daddy. But Daddy won't spray because the dogs are back here. So Daddy will pull the weeds out. That's right. Kevy. Kevy, come on. Kev. Come on. Love you guys. So handsome, Bobble. You're just a happy boy. You're a happy boy. Lucy Lou. Woosy woo! Woosie's whole coat has come out, and she's got this new undercoat because she was so malnourished. Now she's so pretty. Lucy Lou, you filled out, girl. You look so good. Woosy woo! Woosy woo! Woosy woo woo! It's Daddy, woo! It's Daddy! Rick, you don't want to go on the grass because it's wet? You good boy. Ricky, you want Daddy? I know you do. You're a good boy. I love you. I love you too, Lily. Woosy woo! Kevy. Look how big you got, Kev. Look how big you got, boy. Daddy loves you. Babo! What's up, son? You good boy. Thank you, Daddy. Sit down. Good boy. Oh. It's gonna be a nasty day. It's all right, we need the rain. These two idiots. Bobby, you beating up on little Lisa? Yeah, not for long. Lisa's tough. Just give it right back to you. Lisa's the bitch of the house. She's so funny. Tough girl. What do you think, Lucy? You gonna go over there and investigate? Mind your business. What's up, Kev? You gonna go throw a cheap shot in, Kev? All right, time to go to work. Rotate out some dogs. Because Bobby can't go out with Vincent. Vincent and Bobby don't like each other.